Hi everyone. One thing you're gonna learn about me is that I fail a lot, but the fun part is that I fail until I succeed. So another day, another try. Vapor D5, Fullsend 6000 milliamps battery. My son and me just a slow cruise. Bye. It's here. I thought I lost it. I thought it was at home. I almost flipped with my shit, but it's good now. It's all fine. Here the goggles. My trusty Radiomaster Boxer. It's still raining today, but it's gonna rain even more tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So this is the last 20 minutes I can use to check this because the sun's coming down and everything's gonna be out. Yeah, also I should use the mic. Yeah, you should hear me better now. Get on with the prep. My trusty lanyard, lucky lanyard. I used it for my first manual of iFlight. One of the best things I ever bought. Let's install the battery. You can do whatever the hell you want. It's daddy time. Check for alignment. We need our old trusty chair. Yes. Yeah. All the way. Oh, yes. Push. Everything seems fine. Bye, Pete. Bam. Now remove your ass. It's gonna get loud soon. Visuals from there to there. It's like a kilometer and a half stretch. Hopefully we don't get lost in the bushes. I think we can start.
You can start?
No warm-up packs.
No warm-up packs. Adios.
Da. Idemo. 3, 2, 1, go. One thing I should look after are these cables. So, 30 seconds since arm, or 30 seconds of flight. Feels heavier than yesterday. I don't understand how, but it does. A couple of my FPV friends warned me to keep it slower, like 50-60 kilometers per hour, not faster. And yeah, I'm a dumbass. I always kind of forget, especially when in a rush. I'm doing the chores and the miles, to keep it slow. So this time, I'm gonna keep it slow and steady and go for the duration and not for some shots. So this is like 800 meters distance. And still, you see, I go faster. I shouldn't be going faster. I should slow down. Cruising speed 60 kilometers. If the signal wouldn't go through you, I'm gonna be pissed. Tata će popizdit. So that you take mosquitoes off my head. Može, vidiš mi komarca po glavi. Hvala. Thank you. Hvala. 4 minutes, 4.5 minutes, 4 kilometers. Not polite conditions and shit, but there's some sort of a cable somewhere around here. God, it feels like not a standard bird, it feels like a crane or something, this drone. It's so slow in turn, so graceful. It's actually not that bad to fly, aiming for cinematic. I think it's gonna be quite fun in the mountains. The battery is big. So I should aim for cruising speed of 60 kilometers per hour. Shouldn't go above 15 amp current draw. Ah, mosquitoes in my ears. Uši, uši, sine. We are nearing 7 minutes flight. We are at 7 minutes of flight. Tamo sam, lijevo. Sad će do onog stabla doći. Well, based on my assumptions, we are halfway there. I'm gonna go to 15-20 minutes, probably. Based on the milliampere drone until now, 2000, it seems like I have 3 times as much. But I don't think so, and I'm not going to drain this battery. That's like not gonna happen today, especially as you see in the dusk. It's getting dark. I'm finding this little fucker in the very, very mosquito-infested Sava grounds would be a pain now, so let's not do it. Slow and easy, slow and easy. Practice cinematic, Mirko. You're going to the mountains soon. I'm looking forward to it so much, guys, so much. These mosquitoes are crazy as fuck. They are biting my fingers actually. Not sure where does that come from. So we are approaching 10 minutes. Now all of the alarms are going to go haywire. Everything is, half of the screen is going to be blinking now. Yep. And soon enough even the milliamp hour drone is going to be blinking as hell. So this is going to be a nerve-wracking experience from now on. Everything is cool up until 10 minutes. But after that, Betaflight says, you should be landing this. But I'm not going to be landing it. Yesterday I checked the engines after a 9-minute flight. They were cool as a cucumber. And I don't think that there was too big of an effort on the engine side. I think the props are great for this. Just a proper balance between thrust and endurance and longevity. So not yet, Bruno. Kad sletim, a to će biti za 5 minuta. Glasses are still foggy as fuck. I don't understand it. Just doing grounds like this is a bit boring, but it's also, in a way, exciting because you are flying for longer than, you know, most of people make love. So it's very interesting. it's getting so dark that I'm not sure what kind of a light do I see coming from the bottom. My glasses, I'm not sure are they foggy or what, but everything is a bit dark and maybe I should increase the ISO, not for the time being. Fuck man, I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna fly it until 3.2, I'm gonna plan to land on 3.2 and see how it bounces back. And also I should note to myself that this is happening in controlled environments. I'm gonna go to the mountains, so I should be avoiding this. Може. I should be heading back, but not until we pass the 15-minute mark. No chance in hell. I'm landing this bird until 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, my long range itch is being scratched. Also, one interesting statistic or number here for me is the miles traveled calculated by GPS. It gives you, a good insight in what your actual real life capability can be, but also divided by 1.7, like when climbing somewhere or something like that. So this should be your theoretical range that should be really, really, really manageable, like quite easily. So I should be able to climb a mountain to a kilometer of height from 2 kilometers of distance and surf the hell out of it. It's getting really dark. Past the 15-minute mark, 3.35. Let's go for 18. There's the infamous iron cliff from which you fall off. There's no like, when you drain a lipo, and it just says like low battery, land now, you can do shit. Allegedly with lions, it's not like that. It's land now, you die. Nothing. Darkness. Let's try to avoid that. And this is darkness for me now, I don't see shit. I don't see where to actually land. Yeah, it blinked. It blinked. 10 seconds more. Pazi sine. Stižem. I 20 minuta. Mark se brunči. Ima lokva tu jedna. Ima li lokava?
Ne znam.
Whoa, 20 minuta sine. Fuck yeah. I know it's like the same, but for me it was so thrilling. And it's not as dark as it is in the goggles. Okay, you saw that once again. After you fail, to fail again and learn something, and fail again and fail again until you fucking succeed. That's the point. That's the name of the game. So 20-minute mark, my first mark. So I'm becoming readier and readier to go surf some real mountains. Thanks everybody who's watching and stay cool everyone. Bye bye.